Kate Dicamillo is returning to the world of Raymie Nightingale in her next novel published by Walker Books, set for an October 2018 release. Raymie Nightingale, a moving book released in April 2016 about a summer of discovery and friendship was published to critical acclaim and debuted as a #1 New York Times bestseller. Now the author will write a follow-up unraveling the story of Raymie's friend and beloved ranchero, Louisiana Elefante, with the latter described as one of Dicamillo's most singular and arresting creations by the New York Times. The companion novel was acquired by Candlewick Press president and publisher and group managing director of Walker Books Karen Lotz in a major deal for world rights from Holly McGee at Pipe & Properties, with senior editor Andrea Tompa to edit. Dicamillo said, "I was getting ready to start on a project, going through my notebooks and all the phrases and images that I had written down that I thought might turn into a story. This phrase, 'I am going to write it all down so that you will know what happened to me,' showed up again and again. And next to it, I had written Louisiana, and it was Louisiana. It was her voice." While I had no intention of writing another novel about those rancheros, Louisiana's voice was so strong and insistent, and her need to tell her story was so profound, that I gave in. And boy, am I ever glad that I did. I loved spending time with her again. Dicamillo is also partnering on an illustrated book with cartoonist and illustrator Harry Bliss for another new autumn 2018 release, Good Rosie. The story will explore what it means to be both a dog and a friend. Tompa said, "For readers who already know and love her, Louisiana's story will feel like a gift, and those who don't know her yet are in for a treat. There's so much for Kate fans to look forward to in 2018. It's going to be a huge year for her, and we couldn't be more excited." Child Kate Dicamillo, Walker Books.